Hello everybody. Uh, Today I talk about Python reserved words or keywords. First we have to see what are the keywords or reserved words in a particular programming language. In any programming language, I talk about high-level programming languages like C#, C++, Java, PHP, Python. They have reserved words. These reserved words or keywords cannot be used as identifiers names. What are identifiers? Identifiers may be variable names, constant names, function names, class names, or any other object names. Then when we write programs in these programming languages, we cannot use these reserved words as their names of identifiers. In Python, we have this word list. Here, the next important thing I have mentioned here, Python keywords contain lowercase letters only. See, each and every word consists in lower letters. There are no capital letters here. If I go to practicals, if I go for coding, I write a variable name here, and you know this is a reserved word. It is here in this table. You have the first word is and. Then what I am doing is very simple. I try to use this as a variable name. Then I try to print this one and then what will happen? Will it run? No, that's correction, that's syntax error. That means we cannot use these reserved words as I told you, we cannot use them as variable names, constant names, function names, or any other identifier name. But if I use like this, I told you earlier, a simple one and very important one, these keywords contain in lower letters only. Therefore, if we use a capital letter, if we use them in capital letters, then we can use them as our identifier names. Shall try. If I use like this and equals 5, then this is not incorrect, this is correct. Then let's run this one. I give my Python file name .py. Here I save it as .py. Then will it work? Yes, it's working. Then we can use those keywords, but we cannot use them as they are. That means they are in lower letters. Then we cannot use them in lower letters. If we use a capital letter, then if you write them only in capital letters, or if it is a mix of capital simple letters, if we start with the capital letter, then we can use them. If let's try for this one. I use here if equals Tom, then I print this one, print if if, then this is working. Keep in your mind that all reserved words are in lower letters only. Okay, these are the important points I want to mention about Python reserved words. Thank you.